on day 15. Something you already know, coconut water. I love the coconut water. First, because of the electrolyte, like your calcium, potassium, so everything was just there for you, especially for my bones. Yeah, the only thing that wasn't there is sugar, but this one will help to reduce your sugar level. That's why I actually take this, and to give me that natural water hydration. So that's why I took it. So I went straight to rice. Sorry, I didn't upload video for day 14. This is day 15, so take my yogurt video as your day 14. Okay, so this is my rice and egusi soup. Yeah. Funny, right? But yes, it's rice and egusi soup and fish. I just want the vegetable, everything about that egusi soup is actually a balanced diet. So that's what I'm taking. So please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more of my fasting video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.